Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to capture more leads or share exciting deals with your website visitors, pop-up forms are the way to go, and today I'll show you exactly how to design and style a stylish pop-up form in Mailchimp. By the end of this video, you'll have a customized pop-up ready to go live on your website, helping you grow your audience in a matter of minutes. So let's jump right in. First thing, open up Mailchimp and log into your account. If you're already familiar with the dashboard, great. Otherwise, don't worry, it's very user-friendly and I'll guide you through step by step. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and find the Forms section. Go ahead and click on that and you'll see the option to create pop-up form. This is your starting point for building the attention-grabbing pop-up that'll greet your visitors. Now, let's move on to choosing a style for your pop-up. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates to fit different goals, but today we're going to look for the one called free shipping. It's a really popular choice because it highlights any special offer like free shipping with a bold and appealing design that tends to boost signups. To find it, click View All Templates. You'll get a visual display of all the available styles, almost like browsing a clothing rack. Just scroll until you spot the free shipping template. When you find it, select it and then click Apply to lock it in as your chosen design. Next comes the creative part. This is where you really get to put your brand's stamp on the form. In Mailchimp, you can edit just about everything. Background color, button style, fonts, text, and more. So take a moment to tweak the colors to match your website or brand. For example, if you have a lot of blues and whites on your site, try to echo those here. It'll help your pop-up look polished and professional. Adjust the headline, the body text, maybe add a call to action like sign up now for free shipping. Think about font choices too. You want everything to be readable but eye-catching. It's a bit like decorating a storefront window. You want people to stop and pay attention, but you also want to make sure it looks like it belongs to your business. Give yourself a little time here, play around until you're happy with what you see. Don't worry if it isn't perfect on the first try. Mailchimp lets you preview your changes in real time so you can see exactly how it'll appear to visitors. Once everything looks good and the text reads clearly, go ahead and hit the Save button and take a moment to review your pop-up. Double-check for any typos or design tweaks. You've put in the work, so let's make sure it shines. Next, Mailchimp will prompt you to add a few details before your pop-up can go live. One of the most important pieces is the website where you want your new pop-up to appear. You'll need to enter your site's address so that Mailchimp can generate the special code to embed. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're choosing the right one for this campaign. If you're not quite ready to go live, Mailchimp even lets you schedule the pop-up for later, which is handy for launches or special promos. When all your details are set, it's time for the big moment. Hit publish, and if you want, set your schedule. That's it, your beautifully customized pop-up form is now ready to start capturing emails and helping your business grow. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow marketers, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. And if you have any questions about customizing your pop-up forms, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. See you in the next video.